is a video about how I cool the spindle on my NextWave HD 510 CNC machine. You can use this technique for any home CNC machine as well. This is the spindle. It's much more efficient than a router, and it's certainly a lot quieter. The only thing is you have to cool it with water. These tubes going in, one is the inlet, one is the outlet for bringing water in to cool the spindle. This particular spindle is a 2 horsepower one, which I purchased from NextWave. Now the cooling solution that NextWave provides when you purchase this spindle is a bucket. You fill the bucket with water, and there is an aquarium or a pond pump that sits in there, and it pumps the water in and out of the spindle. One problem is the flow from the pump is not that great, but the biggest problem is that the bucket has a little gasket on top that slits so that the tube can go through. This can allow air into the bucket. The problem is when you add water and air, you're going to get mold, and the mold can eventually clog the spindle. The solution I eventually came up with was this Vevor Industrial Chiller. It cools the spindle with water. There's no refrigerant like an air conditioner or a refrigerator. There's a 6-inch fan in the back of the chiller that kicks on when the water starts to warm up. There are coils inside the chiller, and the fan puts air through the coils and cools the water down. The chiller takes 9 liters of liquid. NextWave recommends using RV antifreeze. The advantages are it has mold inhibitors, so it prevents the growth of mold, and also if your CNC machine's located in a garage shop like mine is, it'll prevent the water from freezing or thickening up in the winter. The chiller has an alarm system built in that indicates if there's a problem with flow. This beeping will occur every time you turn the system on until the water starts to flow. Now a really nice feature is that the chiller plugs into the back of the controller on the CNC machine. So that when you turn the controller on, the chiller automatically goes on. My controller is located under the table here. The beeping was the flow indicator. As you can see by the flow indicator, the chiller provides a really solid stream of water. Now I've run this machine on projects that were in excess of 5, 7, even 10 hours at a time, and the chiller has kept the spindle cool. Now I purchased my chiller on Amazon. It was about $119. Since then, the price has gone up. It's about $139, as you can see in the picture, and they've changed the color from white to a dark gray, but it's basically still the same machine. I'd highly recommend this chiller as a cooling solution to any CNC machine spindle. Thank you for watching.